So today we're going to be doing the Whisper Challenge. And I'm Alyssa and this is my brother Mark.
Hi.
So I have some random sentences I'm going to be telling him. He's going first. So I'm just going to tell him things and we'll see if he can hear it. Okay, ready, Mark?
Yes.
Ready? I am so blue, I'm greener than purple.
I'm so rude. I'm so.
Hold on, let me say it again. I am so blue, I'm greener than purple.
I'm so mood. I'm beautiful. No.
I am so blue, I'm greener than purple.
I'm so blue. And I'm greener than purple.
Yes. Yeah. Good job. My turn. Okay. Do you want to read them or you mix them up?
I want mommy to.
You can mix them up.
Okay, let's. Okay, ready?
The flowers are beautiful.
I am beautiful.
Say it louder, son.
The flowers are beautiful.
Flowers are beautiful. Yeah.
You passed the THG.
You meant that you skipped the.
The
Yeah.
flowers are beautiful.
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
But,
All right, your turn.
okay.
That's music loud.
Yes,
Okay.
so loud.
I stepped on a cornflake. Now I'm a serial killer.
I stepped on a cornflake.
Now I'm a serial killer.
Now I'm a serial killer.
What?
It's because the way
What was it?
it was like I stepped on a cornflake, so now I'm now a serial killer.
What's a serial killer?
Nothing, Markie.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I am cooking in the kitchen.
I pooped.
I am cooking in the kitchen.
I smell.
I am cooking in the kitchen.
I like to eat in the kitchen.
I am cooking in the kitchen.
I love to eat the kitchen.
I am cooking.
I am the cookie.
I am the cookie.
Huh?
Nothing.
I'm cooking.
I'm cooking.
I forgot what I was singing the first time, but I just did that.
But she has to say the whole phrase, Papa.
I'm cooking in the kitchen.
Mhm.
Oh, okay, I got it. Got it now. Okay, your turn.
You start.
Llamas eat sexy paper clips.
Don't look at me.
I don't want to say it though. It's just like I don't want to say it because I heard a word that kids can't say.
Oh, then say another phrase.
Okay. On a scale from 1 to 10, what is your favorite color of the alphabet?
Wait, what?
On a scale from 1 to 10, what is your favorite color of the alphabet?
Wait. I'm on
a
then
a
a
scale
scale
from
from
1 1,
1
2,
to 10.
what
What
is
is
your
your
favorite
favorite
color
color
of
of
the
the
alphabet?
alphabet?
He did that so easily.
Wait,
Make it a little harder.
what was it?
Okay, fine, I'll make it harder.
What was it?
On a scale from 1 to 10, what is your favorite color of the alphabet?
What was your favorite color? The flowers is colorful.
The flowers is colorful.
She got that so easily. Make it harder. Think of something harder next time.
Okay. Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Give him a hard one.
I am.
Oh no. A hard one?
Yeah. The sparkly lamp ate a pillow, then punched Larry.
What?
What? The sparkly lamp ate a pillow, then punched Larry.
The sparkly lamp
Ate a pillow, then punched Larry.
ate a
Pillow,
pillow.
then punched Larry.
Then punched Larry.
Larry.
Sarah.
Larry.
Wait, what?
Larry.
Dairy.
Dairy.
Larry.
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 Yeah. Larry. Larry. Wait, my turn.
Wait, what was it?
The sparkly lamp ate a pillow, then punched
Here, let me see
Larry.
it. I'll tell him to give you one.
Okay, well, play the music so I won't hear.
Okay, tell her. There's a purple mushroom in my backyard screaming tacos.
There's a purple mushroom screaming in my backyard.
Tacos.
Tacos.
Tacos, I heard tacos.
You heard it or you read it?
Huh?
You heard it or you read it?
I only heard tacos.
I don't think that thing is loud enough. Okay. There's a purple mushroom in my backyard screaming tacos.
There's a purple mushroom in my backyard swimming in puddles.
There's a purple mushroom in my backyard screaming tacos.
There's a purple mushroom in my backyard swimming in tacos.
There's a purple mushroom in my backyard screaming tacos.
Screaming at tacos.
Screaming tacos. Screaming tacos.
Screaming at tacos.
Screaming tacos.
Screaming tacos.
Yes.
Alright guys, so that's it. We hope you enjoyed the video, and Markie, do you want to tell them anything?
Give a thumbs up and subscribe to the video.
Oh.
Okay.
And hit the bell.
Hit the bell. And leave friendly comments. Okay, bye.